Here are some wood door ideas. Classic panel door, a timeless choice with raised panels that add depth and elegance. Barn door, perfect for rustic or farmhouse style decoration. It slides on track and adds character. French doors, enhance interior space with a glass panel. French doors for a touch of carved wood door. Intricately carved designs make a stunning statement piece. Solid wood front door, a Saturday centuries about option with various Frenches match your home style. Sliding pocket door, ideal for saving space. It slides into the wall when not in use. Rustic wood door, weathered and reclaimed wood doors offer charming rustic look. Modern minimalist door, clean lines, simple hardware, and sleek designs for a contemporary feel. Custom carved door, commission a unique door with a personalized carvings and artwork. Remember to consider your home's styles and your performance when choosing a wood door designs. So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. If you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Here are some outdoor wood door ideas to enhance your home's exterior. Craftsman style door, characteristic by simple clean lines and often featuring glass panels in a geometrical patterns. Rustic wood door, weathered reclaimed wood doors with a wrought iron accents for charming countryside look. Colonial door, traditional six panels wood doors with a decorative brass hardware for a classic appearance. Modern pivot door, a large pivot hinged door with a sleek lines and minimalist design for a contemporary touch. Barn style sliding door, rustic sliding bar doors with a heavy duty hardware perfect for farmhouse of industrial aesthetic. Double entry doors make a grand statement with two wood doors side by side, often ornate glass insides. French country door, wooden doors with arched tops, glass panels, and intricate detailing for the touch of European elegance. Custom carved door, commission a silked artisan create unique wood door featuring personalized carvings or artwork. Tropical hardwood door. Choose durable tropical hardware like teak or mahogany for a door that can with outdoor elements. Contemporary glass and wood door. Combine wood with large glass panels to create a modern, inviting entrance. When selecting an out, outdoor wood door, consider factors like durability, weather, resistance, security, and how well it complements your homes and styles like regular maintenance and sealing with also help prolong the life of your wood door. The design of wood door can vary greatly depending on your performance and style for your home. Here are some common elements and design considered for wood doors. Panel design. Most wood doors have panels. These panels can be raised or flat and come in various configurations such as single panel, two panel, or multi panel designs. Raised panels add depth and detail. Glass inserts. You can incorporate glass into your wood door for added elegance and natural light. Consider different patterns for stained glass. or stained glass or suit your style. Door style. Choose a door style that complements your home's architecture. Options include traditional, modern, rustic, and more. The style influences the shape of hardware and overall of the door. Wood species. Different wood species offer unique textures and colors. Common choices include oak, cherry, and pine. Exotic woods like teak and violet can add luxury of to your door. Hardware. Select door hardware that matches your design theme, whether it's classic, contemporary, or rustic. Handles, knobs, hinges, locks play significant role in the overall look. Finish. The finish you choose can significantly impact door's appearance. Options include stains to showcase the wood natural grain, paint for a solid color or clear finish for a more natural look. Carvings and details. If you want a more ornate door, consider adding carvings, engravings, or custom designs to create personalized touch. Size and shape. Ensure that door size and shape fit the door frame and the overall aesthetic of your home. Security features. Consider security features you need, such as deadbolt docks and reinforced strike plates without compromising aesthetics. Weather resistance. For outdoor, make sure the wood treat finish to weather conditions. Remember that designs of your wood door should not only reflect your personal style but also complement the overall designs and characteristic of your home. It's a key element of your home crafts appeal functionally. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Classic red. Choosing the right color for your outdoor is essential for crop appeal of overall aesthetic. Here are some outdoor color ideas. Classic red, deep blue, black, crisp white, earthy green, warm yellow.